Yeah, it's on.
It's on.
I've not turned mine on yet.
So I couldn't get hold of you.
Hello, Pack Talk, DMC, Intercom,
Right.
mode.
Yeah, can you hear?
Yeah, got
2,
you now,
connected.
All right.
Has it just got drive, or is it sport and sport plus?
You've got sport, user, rain, standard.
Right, now everybody says standard is like riding in sand.
Right.
Sport, it does what it's supposed to do. But try it in standard for the time being,
yeah.
and then
See how I get on.
yeah.
Right.
Right, what kind of roads do you want?
So I can go manual just by pushing that, and then obviously I'm on flappy paddle.
Yeah. You okay?
Yep. With you. Gosh, I'm in second gear already.
I'll tell you what. We'll turn right, and then I'll just pull over a second, just while I turn my back camera on while you're on that.
Thanks, pal. so you can watch me fall off. Yeah. That's weird, not having anything on this left hand. What you like? All I want next is cruise control, isn't it?
Oh, I'll tell you what, it's a game changer, that. You okay?
Yeah. Second. Third.
So it's 10 to 1 now. If we're back for 10 to 11.
Yeah.
He said a couple of hours, but it doesn't matter if we're a bit later, he said.
Yeah, we'll stop and have a coffee somewhere.
Yeah.
Straight away I went to move my fingers and my foot to change gear. I'll keep this one out here so I don't need it.
Right hand lane, Paul.
Yeah.
How's that feel up to now?
It's alright at the moment, yeah, it's just I want to know because obviously you can kick down to slow down, you can use the gearbox to slow down, can't you? Where you can't on this, it just...
Yeah, but I think, does it not kick down the box as you start slowing down with your brake?
It does a little bit, but you can't feel it braking you.
Right. Are we on a filter? No, not yet.
Go on then.
The broken down car here.
XR3. We've still got a bit of pull even in standard.
Yeah. No,
Let me slip it up to sport and see what happens.
I think if you put it in sport, I think you have to roll.
Oh yes, that's different.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right. So everybody I know, they all say use it in sport.
Oh, I touched the brake and it dropped a gear.
The type 1 there, Paul.
Right, yeah.
I don't know what they're like on fuel compared to the manual. Do you know about that?
There's a good bit of torque. It's good. It feels a bit lighter than mine. I don't know why.
It's probably, well, it'll not have all the stuff in the tank box, will it?
Yeah, true.
Round to the left here, Paul.
Right now. Brick on shit on the road. Yeah. Presumably when you put it in rain mode it doesn't react as quickly.
Yes. Yeah, that's the same as mine in rain mode and that. Yeah, there's a hell of a difference. Well, on mine it puts the traction control on like another level, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
What else? It like only puts your throttle at something like, I might be wrong here, but it seems like about 50%. But for the first few times I rode this, I just had it in rain mode just to get used to it.
No, I suppose if I weren't such a tight bastard and money conscious, I might have had one of them.
I don't think it's a case of.
Your resale value on that one will be a lot better.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you've got to think about as well.
Yeah. Well, mind you, I've only lost 1,600 quid on mine in 4 years.
Right.
That was at £400 a year. Gear changes are quite smooth. Just hear a little click.
So we'll do a right here. You've sat on mine, haven't you?
No.
Have you not? I thought you had. Looks like this could be a bit awkward. Oh, way up
No,
after
it
this
should be
one.
alright after this Volvo.
Yep.
At least, as I say, I can lock it into manual if I need to when you're doing hairpins and all that sort of stuff. That's one of the things I was worried about.
Yeah. Yeah, if you were doing tight pins.
Yeah. You don't want it selecting the gear you don't want.
Yeah. And that's what I said to Roy, you know, when we went to do the lakes.
Yeah.
I said to him, if we went over hard not rhinos, to make sure it was in manual.
Yeah. Nice smooth change. Hardly felt it. What's the average mileage for a bike? I know a car is 12,000 a year, but what's a bike?
They reckon it's about 4 or 5,000.
Bike's got 10 years old and got 24,000 on it, so it's still below then, isn't it?
Yeah. I was having a look last night, and I think for average mileage, I think mine should have 29 on it.
Yeah.
And I've got
And what have you
15
got?
on. 15.
Well, that's good then. This one I'm getting has got, if I get it, it's got 12,000 on it.
Yeah, we'll turn right here. Did he show you how to do the handbrake, parking brake?
Yeah, he said use the handbrake if you park it on a hill. So just pull it back, and to release it, you push the button.
Yeah.
No, it's alright. Feels a bit smaller than mine. Don't know why.
Is yours the 700 or the 750?
700.
So that's the 750?
Yeah. Got a little bit more grunt, but not a lot. It's just warm now.
Yeah. 19 degrees now. It must be getting ready for going.
These are slow. There we go.
What a stupid place to have your indicator on this car in front. It's right down the
Yeah,
bottom.
right down the bottom.
Yeah. Mini coming.
Yeah, I'm coming. Doing 110 miles an hour. 110 miles per gallon.
Right, well, there might be a queue here at the traffic lights, but we're going to turn left. So if there is, we'll see if we can squeeze up and go through the garage. Right, oh god, too late. I was going to say, right, we'll go through the garage, but too late then. Oh yeah, we can do, here. Here we are.
So it's 4th at 30, 5th at 40.
You what, sorry?
So it's 4th at 30, 5th goes in at 40.
You're still indicating. Right, we'll turn right at the next lights. You okay?
Yeah. Not as daunting as I thought it was going to be.
Is it just turn it and away you go, like?
Yeah. Yeah, just stick it in neutral now. Got an old mod on the back behind us.
Yeah, and it stinks.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, not end.
Hey, Knot End, yeah.
Yeah.
We've got a cafe at Knot End. Have you been there before?
I've been once before, yeah.
Oh, we've got Brew and Sprocket. There's a place down here called the Brew and Sprocket,
All right, yeah.
and they have a bike night on a Wednesday. I know it's Saturday.
Here we go.
How's that?
Goes into 6 to 55.
You're still indicating again. You're still indicating, Paul.
You what? Oh, indicating, sorry.
Yep. Left at the roundabout.
Still got a scooter on my back door.
Well, we're back into a 30 in a minute. Look at these lodges here at left.
Yeah. Very nice.
Watch that grid halfway round. Do you want to go Knot End or Brew and Sprocket?
Yeah?
Do you want to go to Knot End or Brew and Sprocket?
Yeah, yeah.
Which one?
End?
Knot End?
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Camera's here, mate.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just playing about with the manual and automatic.
Can you reach the plus flappy paddle okay?
Yeah. Seeing whether it made any difference in the economy at all.
That's Brew and Sprocket just there.
Alright.
It's a left turn but it's straight on for us.
I'm with you, yeah.
You okay?
Yeah. So I'm still playing about with all these buttons. No, it's a good bike. It's alright.
That bike's here again, that shot off.
Yeah, he ain't got very far, has he?
No. Shall we go down the outside?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry we're going to be stuck behind that bus for hours otherwise.
Yeah,
Get on the grey one.
Yeah, tuck him behind this. He in? Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, we'll go left at the end.
He's going right. I know he's going left as well.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'll get past that.
Pass, yep.
Yeah, yeah. This shop on the corner, right hand side, is this what I'm thinking? Oh no, it's not. I thought this is where I came the other day and picked up a load of pallets, but it's not. It looks very similar, but it ain't.
That chippy there, one of the best chippies there is.
Can't be bad. Oh yes, because we're not in now.
Yeah. Yeah, get chips there.
Oh, it smells
Just
good.
sit on seafront of you. Looks like tide's either coming in or it's just been in, doesn't it?
It's well out now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Last time I came up here, there was some hang gliders. No, not hang gliders. The ones where they've got an engine strapped to the back.
Is it paragliding or something like that?
That's it, yeah.
That'll do. Oh, you're a bit close, Paul.
To what?
To me, on that side. That's it. It should be alright if you straighten up. That's it.
Yeah. That's alright.